Hi everyone, we are Group 3. I'm Jovelyn Ferrer.
And I'm Raisa Villegas, and we are the speaker for today. The companies. 1. Licensing. Example of licensing is the Walt Disney Company. Walt Disney Company is an entertainment company. It has 54 billion in retail sales worldwide of licensed and direct-to-consumer products, slightly less than the 54.7 billion the company reported in 2019. The latest report also includes a number of newcomers, such as the United States Postal Service at number 63, with 20 million in retail sales of licensed consumer products.
2. Franchising. Potato Corner. Potato Corner has been in operation for 25 years and is a franchise sector pioneer, collecting honor for its basic yet effective business model on a regular basis. It has received the Franchise Hall of Fame Award and the Global Franchise Award from the Philippine Franchise Association and the Department of Trade and Industry respectively. It is also a perfect partner for making a secure investment for your future, with location in 11 countries.
Number 3. Turnkey Project. Example of turnkey project is the National Housing Authority or NHA. The National Housing Authority or NHA is the government organization in charge of public housing on the Philippines. It was founded on July 31, 1975 and is an attached agency of the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. It is a government-owned and controlled corporation.
4. International agents and international distributors. Efficient Human Resources Incorporation is a newly established recruitment agency duly registered with the license number POEA 005 LB020718PL. Supported by well-experienced professionals with vaunted their collective's expertise, knowledge, and specialties in recruiting and deploying high-skilled land-based Filipino workers abroad throughout Asia, Middle East, and Europe.
Number 5 is Strategic Alliances. Example of strategic alliances is Starbucks and Target. The Starbucks-Target collaboration is one of the most well-known examples of a strategic alliance. Several times, in fact, you undoubtedly seen this strategic alliance example. There's a Starbucks counter waiting to blend your favorite drink as soon as you step into Target. This strategic cooperation was established in 1999 and is still in place. We see thousands of Target stores hosting Starbucks Cafe to help power people's Target runs. Target customers also know that if they become hungry or thirsty while shopping, Starbucks is immediately next door.
6. Joint Ventures. On July 2019, Metro Pacific Water launched its largest joint venture company. Metro Pacific Iloilo Water is a joint venture company formed by Metro Pacific Water and its partner local water district, the Metro Iloilo Water District. Metro Pacific Iloilo Water will operate, rehabilitate, maintain, and expand the water distribution system and establish wastewater management facilities in Metro Iloilo, which is comprised of Iloilo City and 7 adjacent municipalities.
Number 7. Overseas Manufacture or International Sales Subsidiary. Nike is the world's largest sportswear manufacturer, outsources all of its footwear production to several overseas manufacturing facilities. Nike has a bigger share of production units in China than in other nations, but the company also has plants in Thailand, South Korea, Vietnam, and India.